Hello. On this Thanksgiving, I'm thankful for my friends, family, girlfriend, and my beautiful new nephew. I'm also thankful for my account coordinator, the New York Giants, the New York Yankees, Manchester United, Discount Airline Flights, and Jerry Garcia.
I am thankful for my wonderful husband, Chris, and my 3 lovely children, but I'm also thankful to work with such an amazing group of talented folks here at Madison Logic. You are an HR person's dream, so thank you.
I'm extra thankful this year, first for my family and our health. Very thankful for my safety and the freedoms afforded to me every day and those who make that possible. Lastly, very thankful for the ability to work within a culture that is fueled by an entrepreneurial spirit.
Firstly, I'm very thankful for my dear friends and family, including my nieces and nephews, these little munchkins right here. I'm also very thankful for our snack deliveries, especially because they include individual bags of Skinny Pop. For the lovely Starbucks baristas on Park Ave who never misspell my name. And finally, for my Madison Logic team who continues to support me, challenge me, inspire me, and make me smile every day.
I'm thankful to be healthy, to have a lovely wife, 2 beautiful children, to work in a thriving industry in marketing technology, and to work amongst a really smart, passionate, and dedicated group of managers and employees at Madison Logic.
Pulling your heart to the